I bought another plant, Brazil Phylodendron as well, from soiled.in. So they have posted via India Post. I just received the package. I ordered a large Brazil Phylodendron. The package looks smaller, so let's see what's inside. Packed well, I would say that. So soil.in has some of the plants that are uncommon from other platforms. So I ordered Brazil Phylodendron again on soil.in so as to check whether the postal service works well in my pin code or not. So this was just a trial package. More plants for me, yay! So yeah, I finally opened it up. This is how it arrived. So I think they have sent a root ball because I don't see a pot here. That's what they had mentioned on the site as well, that they send plants in a root ball format. So let me see how it's wrapped. I'm not very sure of how large it is. Okay, so yeah, it has a little bit of yellow leaves because it was actually, the package was delayed. You know, India Post doesn't deliver on time. I have stopped ordering from a lot of online nurseries because they have partnered with India Post. They don't deliver on time. They keep the packages idle in the hub. They don't have a plant rush or expedited delivery, special expedited delivery. So they have sent a root ball, which means that I have to put it in a pot. I think it's pretty huge, I would say. I would say that I've gotten see, this is the entire size of the plant. So I would say I'm very happy with the plant purchase because it's really tall. Do you see that I have not received such a large Brazil Phylodendron till now? So there's a lot of, I will just show you after I repot it to some pot. I'll show you how it looks, and I will also attach that. So this is from soil.in, and this is Brazil Phylodendron. I got it for about $500, which is what you pay for all the delivery and everything that comes from Pune. So I've received another package from Pune, soil.in. This is an Aglaonema stripes. So this is the box it came in, the size of the plant, and let me just unbox it. So I've been able to open it. They have sent it with a pot this time. So this package was stuck in for an extra day in the mail again, because you know what do you expect from India Post. Apparently this is speed post, but it somehow got lost, but then I received it today. Oh wow, just see this plant, it's beautiful leaves. Love the plant. There is just 2 yellow leaves, and that is absolutely fine. I'll just pull them off and I'll show you after I remove the plastic. So they have packed it well. There is wet tissue paper, I think, that is helping it stay moist and throughout the transit. And I have to say that I'm really happy. There is 2 stems. You can see that I've gotten 2 Aglaonema rare striped variety that is there from them, and yes, you get the common ones in local nursery, but if you want to, so I'm tearing off the yellow leaves because it will take the plant's resources. this is how it looks. Look at how beautiful this is. So I got this plant for about 470 bucks plus 50 rupees shipping. I also bought another plant called Brazil Phylodendron. Both my experiences with Soil.in were extremely good. I received a really large Brazil Phylodendron from them, and I also received a very good plant. It's not large, but yeah, it's a decent sized plant. And I received it well even after the package was lost kind of in the mail for one day, and even after that it has remained well in a closed box. So I'm very, very happy with this. I love this plant and I hope I can grow it big. I am very thankful to Soil.in too. I think they have a really great collection. They have stopped shipping at my pin code now because of some delivery issues like this that I mentioned. So hopefully they will be resuming to deliver soon, and I'll be ordering more plants from them. Their collection is really, really good. Literally all of the plants that they have in the site is something that I want to buy. That's how good their collection is. Just check the stripes, red stripes on it. Some have white stripes on it. Oh, just the beauty of it all. So I'll also show you the reported Brazil Phylodendron from Soil.in. That is also a really big plant right now. So this is the Brazil Phylodendron plant. Just look at the size of this. A huge Brazil Phylodendron plant. It's just sprawling, and I also lost 3 to 4 leaves, by the way, because of the transit. But even then, just see the size of it growing from both ends. See, this is how beautiful it is. Look at the patterns. Nearly all of them have patterns, and some of them don't have patterns because it was in a closed environment for some time, and they will get back. All the new growth will hopefully have. See the beautiful patterns of Brazil Phylodendron here. This is amazing. All of these branches will grow into new ones. So let's see, this one has kind of dried up a little, but there's still a new growth coming out. Oh, there are at least 6 to 7 new points of growth. So I'll just show you some of them. So see, this has 2 new leaves coming out. This has 1 more leaves coming out. So just every point that is showing leaves coming out are the branches that are there. So there are some more hidden inside actually. So you see, there's one on the left side and one on the right side. So there is a lot of branches beneath this kind of. So I have repotted it in a pot of this size. If you can compare it with my hand, it's a 4-inch pot. So I let the roots settle down a little bit. I watered it today again. I had repotted it into a smaller pot, and I realized that it needed a 4-inch pot. So I did repot it, and now that it's repotted, I'm feeling comfortable with this. Let it grow a little bit for about a couple of months, and then I'll shift it to a bigger pot. But I think this doesn't need a repotting because it's come in a pot. That is well good enough. So yeah, this is what I bought from Soil.in. It's just amazing Brazil Philo and Aglaonema stripes. You should just I have been trying Soil.in for the first time. I have not tried them before, but my experience has been very good with them. That's what I can say. So this came for 570 rupees. There was no shipping. I think it was free shipping because it was above 500. This came with 470 rupees at discount, and this had a shipping charge because it was less than 500. So I guess these are the 2 plants I've bought. I plan to buy a large neon Phylodendron as soon as they start delivering on my pin code again. And apart from that, I think I also want to buy the Pilea peperomoides. I could not find it anywhere in any of the online nurseries apart from their site. So I'm looking forward to ordering that. Just see the new growths coming out. There are at least 8 to 12 branches there. I think I have not counted, but you can just see 3 this side, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many are there. There are many branches. I'm very happy with it. So that's pretty much it. So this is it, guys. Soil.in. I hope you like the review, because this is not a sponsored video because I've paid for this plants myself. So this is just to show you that yes, the delivery experience, despite the delivery partners being a little bit late because of the COVID or whatever, the plants did arrive in well enough condition. So you should go ahead and buy it from them. Signing off, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you more in upcoming videos.